ដូច្នេះថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំមានកិត្តិយសនឹងណែនាំលោកស្រីទាំងអស់ឲ្យស្គាល់លោកJim Buba Jim Buba
happens all the time. I want to thank my gracious host for inviting me to share this weekend with you. Some very important things have happened. We are all very pleased at the outcome. It's been many years in a very long series of battles. And beginning now, we have progress for the Cambodian people and those of Khmer who are looking for recognition. For myself, I am looking for recognition from all of you as members of our community here at Lowell in the district. In 10 days we have an election and I am a candidate for state senate. It is a different kind of fight in this country as over the rest of the world. But sometimes it is simpler when you think of the difficult times to look forward to the better times. And as a meteorologist from UMass, I study the weather, and I have come to appreciate the rain. I know in Southeast Asia the rains come and they seem never to go away. But when they are gone, everything is clean and new. When the waves crash on the shores of our country here, we have the same feeling. And when I was in the military myself, I never went to fight in the jungles, but I took care of the men that came back. And now after all of this time, I still find myself praying for rain, because I know when the rains come, it will clear the battlefields, and my children will not have to see what was left behind. And that makes me happy. And I'm hoping in 10 days we'll have an election where the people will go and vote with their voice quietly, and I can fight with words to bring us all together and still pray for rain, because it helps.
On behalf of the Cambodian American community in Lowell, recognize Jim Buba.
ដើម្បីអបអរសាទរនៅក្នុងពិធីសម្ពោធរដ្ឋាភិបាលមហាចក្រមកំណើតរដ្ឋាភិបាលមហាចក្រមនេះឱកាសនេះហើយដើម្បីញ៉ាំបរិយាកាសនេះឲ្យកាន់តែសប្បាយរីករាយថែមទៀតសូមអញ្ជើញក្រុមតន្ត្រីបន្តការសប្បាយរីករាយបន្តទៅទៀតជាគុណ
Trong ma nên aiប្រពន្ធមួយចំបានឹងហើយប្រពន្ធមួយចំបាប្រពន្ធមួយគឺប្រពន្ធខ្មែរសង្ឃេបមិនយកទេសង្ឃេបមិនយកទេរបស់ជាខ្មែរអង្គទោ ប្រពន្ធម្នាក់នាងហើយមកឲ្យមើលគួយកិននាងហើយបើមានប្រាំងយកប្រពន្ធម្នាក់នាងហើយមកឲ្យមើលការងារបងមិនឲ្យធ្វើការងារបងមិនឲ្យធ្វើឲ្យតែចាំមើលតែនឹងប្រាំង Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ nói con trăng cho nhà má chồng anh ơiประพุทธมุยประพุทธมุยกับรู้เอาอย่างครั้งจงตาเนื้อประพุทธมุยจะมาประพุทธมุยกับรู้เอาอย่างครั้งบาสันเอาโยประพุทธรังบาสันเอาโยประพุทธรังมีทงโซ่จังก็มันโยตาจงตาเนื้อประพุทธขมายจะมาประพุทธขมายสตังนับปีผู้ใดโกรุมเนื้อประเพณีจะจะตั้งปีนับโบราณ
Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ
những ơi đừng mau chạm mày cần chừng là hai những ơi đừng mau chạm mày số mày chơi chơi mày ơi áo ngon mà đi làm liều những ơi làm liều đó mà trong làm liều những ơi làm liều đó mà ai lòng bằng xa khi lại bán ôi